How to view private TikTok accounts. First of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. So, let's go ahead and tap on it. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can view all the reels that are shared on TikTok. Now, from the bottom panel, go ahead and tap on Friends. After that, tap on the search icon on the top right corner. Here, I'll type in private to find accounts that are private. Now, let's tap on Users. Now, from the results, we can go ahead and check out any of the profiles. Let's tap on this one over here. But as you can see, these profiles are not private. So, let's look for one that is actually private. And as you can see, this one over here is private, and you cannot see the contents on their profile. So, let's go ahead and check out another profile. And as you can see, this one is private as well. So now, tap on Follow over here. And as you can see, the follow request has been sent. Now, as soon as this account accepts your request, you'll be able to see their content. Keep in mind that there's no other way. So, by following these steps, you can easily view private TikTok accounts.